Welcome to Dawn of Cooking, and in this week's video I am going to be making an amazing healthy banana bread. Now, I'm a chef, a mom, a grandma, and I'm here to inspire you with a new recipe every week. So let's get cooking because you're going to love this one. Okay, let us get started on this recipe. We are going to start off with some brown sugar and olive oil, and we're going to stir that and get out all the clumps. I'm going to add the vanilla and maple syrup. Stir this all together, and now I'm going to be adding the eggs. I will have the full recipe in the description box of this video. Now I'm going to be adding the bananas. Next, we're going to add some dry ingredients. Now I'm going to preheat the oven to 350. Don't want to forget the oven. Flour, almond flour, we got soda and salt, cinnamon, Now I'm going to add all the fun stuff. So I have a mixture of pecans and walnuts. Got some dried cherries. I chopped them. Got some pumpkin seeds. And some sunflower seeds. All right, looks amazing. The batter is all ready, so I went ahead and I floured and greased a loaf pan, and go ahead and put the batter in, and we'll just bake it until it is done at 350. We live in Alaska, and so we have, this is called the land of the midnight sun. So literally we have daylight much of the time. So it's awesome for growing things. Let me flip the camera around. I can show you my garden. I love having flowers on the deck. They're absolutely beautiful. They grow so wonderfully. Got some tomatoes forming. Look at those. I got 4 tomato plants. I'll take you down to the garden. Got some herbs here. We live on a little waterway. Flowers and herbs and nasturtiums. Some amazing lettuce. More lettuce. A huge rhubarb. I love making strawberry rhubarb crisp, and some little baby carrots and some spinach that's doing well. Swiss chard. Amazing kale. I had crazy kale last year. If you saw any of my Instagram pictures, Mom Lincoln Dawn of Cooking. Got some broccoli and cauliflower. So yeah, more flowers. We have a little deck and water. Beautiful little place here in Alaska. Thanks for coming along with me in this week's video, making this awesome and delicious and healthy banana bread. So till next time, happy cooking. I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And also, the recipe is in the description box below the video. Happy cooking!